Many students come to college without a clue about how to cook for themselves. This week, student advocates for basic needs sought to address this concern.
I think cooking is a very important and useful skill that everybody should be able to have. And I know a lot of college students don't have the opportunity to cook or even learn to cook because we are so busy with our lives, our classes, jobs if we have them.
SAFBEN brought in a couple of different presenters to demonstrate cooking tips and techniques. They also gave some advice, such as
how to cut the thing you want to cut instead of the thing you don't want to cut, which is your fingers.
This is just one of the many events that Student Advocates for Basic Needs holds throughout the semester to make sure that students are equipped for success.
Student Advocates for Basic Needs is basically an umbrella that houses all different kinds of resources, transportation, food, financial. It can help you look for jobs.
To any students who may need help addressing their basic needs, SAFBEN asks that you reach out so that they can help you access those resources.
Before I started working on campus, I didn't even know about all the resources we have, but there are so many resources.
Ellis, Troy, TrojanVision News.